Hi all. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the simple Excel tool by which you can basically categorize all your bank transactions into the right GL account using a simple integration with Google AI. The first thing you need to do is you need to copy and paste your chart of accounts. That is the list of accounts in which you want to categorize the transactions. So basically, you go to the GL account tab and you copy and paste the list of chart of accounts in which you want to categorize your bank transactions. The second step is to actually copy and paste the bank description. So for example, I'm taking some sample data from which I want to extract the vendor account. So I want to extract the vendor name and the category using AI. So I am currently using the Google AI. So once I have given the GL accounts on the GL accounts tab and I have actually pasted my bank data, I can simply click on this button that is click to categorize data. And this tool will automatically process and it will start finding answers. These answers are coming from the Google AI. So basically, you don't have to write any prompts, you don't have to upload any Excel sheets. You can simply copy and paste the data of your bank transactions into this tool, and everything will be done by the AI. Obviously, this is not 100% accurate because this is AI and everyone knows this is not 100% accurate, but still it saves a lot of time as it has got uh, almost 80% of the vendors correct and the categories correct. In order to make it more efficient, we have implemented learned mapping tool here. But by learned mapping tool, we mean that the system has also is also going to build a brief database which would be based on your preferences, and and then second time you will use the tool, it will, instead of asking the Google AI, it will use the tool is it will use your own database. So for example, the lookup keyword was whole feds, which gave the vendor name as, so ChatGPT actually identified this as a vendor whole feeds VNA. But for example, if I want to write the name as this, so I will actually have to update the database for once. Next time onwards, it will start updating automatically. And I don't want to put whole feeds into meals and entertainment, and I want to put it to, maybe, for example, I want to put it to personal expenses. So I will just update the uh, GL account here, and I will also add the personal expense GL account here. And when I will actually run the tool again, it will update it. So like, as you can see, the whole feed, even if it was the new vendor was taken as whole feed and the personal is what categorized as personal expense. So as much as you will start using this tool, this learned mapping will be improvised and the results will be amazing. Basically, you don't have to use the any other tool. You should categorize all your banking transactions using this particular tool, and most probably you will have a wonderful, like, so basically it's like this tool is automatically learning and improvising all the time, and which will make it efficient every day. Thank you so much.